morning. Today is one of those happy mornings. Right now is one of those happy mornings. Right now is one of those happy moments. I'm somewhere where I want to be, where I love to be. Somewhere that brings me peace and joy and clarity in my mind, in my lungs. Somewhere I can feel free. Times like this, I don't always get. I can have, but I don't always get them for myself. And it's really up to me. But here at the beach, if you're in California, you can do the same. This crisp, clean air that comes from the ocean. It feels so good. The sun is so bright right now. It feels so warm. And it makes me just want to go down there. And I'm going to go down there with my feet a little bit. I'm going to see what else can make me smile. The sunshine always makes me smile. The sunshine always makes me smile. Being out here always makes me smile. Nature. Feeling at peace with myself and in my mind. That's what makes me smile. That's when I feel successful and accomplished. Because when I feel good, I can do good. And when you do good, well, then who's not happy, right? Especially if you're a mom. So make the most and the best with what you've got. We have so much. And most of it, if we just take a close look, right in our backyard. Like this. It's not too far from where I live. It's only about maybe 15 minutes. Just so blessed. So are you. Even if you don't have this, I'm sure you have many, many beautiful, wonderful things that you can be grateful for. Which may bring you big smiles too. Peace of mind and clarity. Get your happy on. Get your clarity on. Smile more. Get out. Enjoy the summer.